Good morning, my dear friend and subscriber. In front of you, I will teach about class 9th math exercise 4.3. Question number 7. Yamni and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 toward the Prime Minister's relief fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as rupees x and rupees y. Draw the graph of the same. So solution can be given as, let x be the contribution of Yamni and y be the contribution of Fatima. Since according to the question total contribution equal 100, so we can write x plus y equal 100. Take as equation number 1. Now for the graph, equation first can be written as y equal 100 minus x. Let take it as equation number 2. Take some values of x and find values of y from equation second. Then we get, now we will take x values 100, 50 and 0. So we will get y value 0, 50 and 100. Now plot the point 100, 0, 50, 50 and 0, 100 in graph. Let 50 equal 1 unit, so 100 equal 2 unit. Since these numbers 100 and 50 are big numbers, so we can reduce it by taking 50 equal 1 unit and 100 equal 2 unit. Hence point 100, 0 equal 2, 0, 50, 50 equal 1, 1 and 0, 100 equal 0, 2. Point are shown in figure 2.0. So we can draw the lines, and these lines L shows the required linear equation, where we have shown the point 100, 0 as 2, 0. Point 50, 50 equal 1, 1. This is point 1, 1. And 0, 100, 0, 2. This point is 0, 2. In this way we can solve this problem. Now question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. F equal 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So the first question is, draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit using as y-axis. Second question, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, what is temperature in Celsius? Fourth, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Fifth is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So the first solution can be given as, let y be F and x be Celsius scale. So f equal 9 by 5c plus 32 become y equal 9 by 5x plus 32. So we can write it 5y equal 9x plus 160. 160 and again 9x minus 5y equal minus 160. So we can form this x by a plus y by b equal 1 forms. So we can divide by minus 160 on both sides in this equation. We get 9x by minus 160 minus 5y by minus 160 equal minus 160 by minus 160. So we can get x by minus 160 by 9 plus y by 160 by 5 equal 1. Let it as equation number 1, which is like as x by a plus y by b equal 1 form, where a denote coordinate a comma 0, b denote 0 comma b. Now let 160 equal 1 unit. So equation 1 become x by minus 1 by 9 plus y by 1 by 5 equal 1. Let it as equation number 2. Now plot point minus 1 by 9 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 by 5, which are shown in figure 3.0. So here the coordinate point minus 1 by 9 comma 0, which is shown in this point, minus 1 by 9 comma 0, and point 0 comma 1 by 5 is shown in by this point. Now question number 2. Since the given formula f equal 9 by 5 c plus 32, so we can put c equal 30, so we can get f equal 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32 equal 54 plus 32 equal 86. In this way we can get the Celsius 30 degree value, in Fahrenheit value 86 degree. Now question number 3. Here we put f equal 95 degree in formula, so and so. So 95 equal 9 by 5c plus 32. So 9 by 5c equal 95 minus 32. We get 9 by 5c equal 63. So we get the value c equal 35. In this way we get the Fahrenheit value 95, in Celsius scale 35. Now question number 4. Respectively we put c equal 0 and again put f equal 0. In given formula we get, so f equal 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. In this way we get f equal 32. And again f barabar 0 equal 9 by 5 c plus 32. We get 9 by 5 c equal minus 32. In this way we get c equal minus 160 by 9 Celsius. Now fifth question, let x be the temperature which is same numerically both Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So x equal 9 by 5x plus 32. So we will get 5x equal 9x plus 160 minus 4x equal 160. This value when go to left side, this become minus 4x. In this way x equal 160 by minus 4. So we will get x equal minus 40. So minus 40 is the numerically value which is same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. In this way we can solve such type of problem Thank you, my dear subscriber and friend. Please comment for any problem and please subscribe my channel, so I will more and more videos should be uploaded by me. Thank you.